Welcome back to Choicest Gadgets, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in innovative technology. In today's video, we are thrilled to present to you the 8 coolest car gadgets of 2023. From game-changing accessories to revolutionary technology, we've got you covered. So buckle up and get ready to be amazed. Let's dive in. Are you fed up with tangled wires and unreliable connections when using Android Auto in your car? Say goodbye to those frustrations with the game-changing Carsifi adapter. With this innovative gadget, you can now enjoy a seamless and wireless Android Auto experience. Simply connect the adapter to your car's USB port, pair it with your phone via Bluetooth, and voila! No more wired connection problems or annoying disconnections. Compatible with all cars that support Android Auto, say hello to hassle-free connectivity every time you step into your car. Upgrade to the must-have Carsifi adapter today and elevate your driving experience. Are you tired of your car turning into a messy office space? Introducing GripMaster, the ultimate portable workstation for professionals on the go. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to organization with its secure seatbelt attachment and multiple storage compartments. GripMaster keeps your documents and office supplies neatly organized. Its anti-slip coated work surface provides a stable and spacious area for all your paperwork needs. Upgrade your productivity on the road and grab the must-have GripMaster today. Ever wondered how to protect your car from the elements while ensuring its battery stays charged? Look no further than the Hyperion car cover, the coolest car gadget of 2023. This innovative cover not only shields your car from sun, rain, snow, and dust, but it also features a solar panel and battery charger. Say goodbye to dead batteries and hello to worry-free driving. With the Hyperion car cover, your car stays protected and your battery stays charged, ready for any adventure. Don't settle for ordinary car accessories when you can have the best. Get the Hyperion car cover, the must-have car gadget of the year. Have you ever wanted to add a touch of magic to your car? Introducing the Govee Underglow car lights, the coolest car gadget of 2023. These sleek LED strips transform your vehicle into a mesmerizing work of art. Picture vibrant colors and captivating patterns dancing beneath your car, turning heads wherever you go. But it's not just about looks. The Govee Underglow car lights enhance your safety too. Illuminate the road with precision, whether you're in the city or exploring dark rural areas. Upgrade your car and make a statement on the streets with the must-have Govee Underglow car lights. Get ready to turn heads and leave everyone in awe. Are you tired of a messy car? Meet the enthusiast vacuum cleaner, the ultimate car gadget of 2023. This compact powerhouse fits in your glove compartment yet delivers powerful cleaning on any surface, from upholstery to hard-to-reach corners. With its versatile nozzles, it's not just for your car, it's perfect for keyboards and furniture too. Say goodbye to dirt and debris. Get your hands on the best car gadget of the year for just $50. Comment below and let me know if you are ready to upgrade your car cleaning game with the enthusiast vacuum cleaner. Have you ever been stuck with a dead car battery and wished for a quick and reliable solution? Look no further than the SunPow 2000 Jump Starter, the coolest car gadget of 2023. This powerful portable device is your ultimate savior when it comes to jump-starting your car, whether it's gas or diesel. With its 2,000 amp capacity, it can handle vehicles of various sizes, but that's not all. The SunPow Jump Starter is also a versatile power bank, providing fast charging for your mobile devices via USB-C. With its massive 20,000 mAh capacity, you can jump-start your car up to 35 times on a single charge. It even features an integrated flashlight with 3 modes to assist you in emergencies. Don't let a dead battery ruin your day. Get the SunPow 2000 Jump Starter, the best car gadget that every driver should have. Introducing the Hoder Car Trash Can, the coolest car gadget of 2023. Say goodbye to fumbling with plastic bags and scattered trash. This compact trash can is designed to keep your car organized and clean. With its immense storage capacity and leak-proof lining, it's the perfect solution for all your trash and debris. The carbon filter and flip-top lid ensure no spills or odors escape. Plus, Its sleek design adds a touch of elegance to your car's interior. Upgrade your car accessories with a must-have Hoder car trash can today. Are you a parent who wants to ensure the safety of your baby while driving? Look no further than the Rohent Baby Car Camera, one of the coolest car gadgets of 2023. With its high-definition 1080p display, you'll have crystal-clear images of your baby's movements and surroundings. The wide-angle lens provides a broad field of view, allowing you to monitor your baby from different angles, even in low-light conditions. The infrared night vision ensures you never miss a thing. Installing the camera is a breeze, with a sturdy bracket that attaches to the dashboard and headrest. Power it up through the car's cigarette outlet, and you're ready to go. Give yourself peace of mind with the must-have Rohent Baby Car Camera. Don't miss out on these amazing car gadgets. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to stay updated with the latest reviews and coolest gadgets on Amazon, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.